All right, so let's talk about option sets. Now, option sets are a special feature in Bubble. They're static lists, okay? Static things or choices in our data type. So what do I mean by static? Let's say we want the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These 7 things, where do we save them in? Do we save them in the database? It's too heavy. We create a custom data type, we set a list. Now option sets makes it much easier to save in a static list. Okay, so lots of different use cases, days of the week, fixed categories, a status in a CRM, like, okay, archived in pipeline, the deal status, like warm, cold, hot, closed, fell off, whatever. Type of cuisine, it just varies. So option sets have lots of different types of use cases, but more like kind of fixed data types. You can't change it. So you can't use the create, read, update, delete workflows that we were talking about data. This is just fixed data. Okay. Why use option sets? They're faster. They don't require database reads and searching. It's just easy to add new ones, and they can be accessed from anywhere in the app. There is everybody can see option sets. Okay, you can't just use privacy rules to hide some option sets. So just keep in mind, not just it's public data. Okay, so days of the week, public, fine. Types of some types should just be public. It's fine. It's okay. It's not a restricted thing. So, but just keep in mind, don't put sensitive data in option sets. So let's look a bit of a live demo, see where they are. So in the data type, in the data tab, we have option sets tab. We can have days of week, not a hash here. Okay, and we can add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, we can display these are fixed static data in the table. Now we can refer to this in our text element or anywhere in the app if we want, to be honest. Insert, get an option, days of week, Monday. So it's just a different option. Now let's we've been talking about a restaurant ordering app. Now we have 3 types of users. We have the restaurant owner, we have the courier, we have the consumer. Now this would be a nice use case for option set. Okay, if we do user types, all right, so we have restaurant owner, we have courier, we have consumer. Okay, now we've defined the types. Now this has all, now option sets are now a custom data type as well. So in the data type, in the user, we can add a type field, and we'll see our option sets here as well. So we see our custom data types, and we see our option set, days of week, user types, user type. Okay, so let's create this here. Now in our user table, let's just create 3 users. Let's call this Zubair plus restaurant, type restaurant owner, new entry, consumer, Zubair plus consumer, and let's add another entry type, courier, Zubair plus courier at tech.com. Okay, so now we have 3 users. A user has different type. Okay, and we can configure privacy rules based on the type. Okay, let's see all user, define user, restaurant owner. So current user type is restaurant owner. I can do everything. Oh yeah, let's talk about the auto bind one. We just recently talked about it. Instead of this item's creator, we're like current user type is restaurant owner. Restaurant owners are allowed to auto bind. Okay, current user type order. So who can see the order? Courier. So current user type is courier. They can see orders. Everybody else can't see it. Okay. So the option sets is static types of data, very helpful, and we can combine option sets as a custom data type and use it in combination with privacy rules to just come up with all sorts of different scenarios and kind of like combinations overall. All right, so I think that should be good for this video, and thank you very much, and see you in the next video.